Hui here from Animatrik Virtual Production, and today we're taking a look at a new piece of kit we have for tracking and solving the face. So this is a software and hardware solution from FaceGood. If you want to take a look at the hardware on the back, so there's an onboard computer that is tracking and solving on the body and then transmitting that back to Unreal Engine in real time. And if you spin around a little bit, it's got a stereo pair of 1 megapixel cameras that are running at 120 hertz. And how's that helmet feel?
Feels very comfortable, nice and lightweight. Lots of movement with it.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So one of the cool things with this kit is we can run multi-person in real time. So we could have 10 people out here, all with HMCs on, running wirelessly into Unreal Engine and record all those people at the same time. And it's worth pointing out that this solution does drive the full MetaHuman face rig. So it's not just a subset of the rig, it's the full deal. And Hui here, he's not just our actor, actually. He's our HMC operator and expert on staff. And maybe Hui, you can tell us a little bit about your experience in the setup and getting this going.
The setup is pretty quick and seamless. There's no setting up for the actor. It's just put on the helmet and go, and then gets us going right away.
Great, yeah. Great. Maybe we can cycle through a few facial expressions so we can kind of see the solving working in real time here. So the tongue, that's kind of unique. That's new for us in these solving solutions we've used in the past. We've been doing real-time body and face for live productions for 10+ years. So we're pretty excited about this kit. They've solved a few problems that are unique. And maybe while we're here, Curtis, we can maybe show off this virtual camera. If you pass me that, here, I'll take that. So this is a new kit that we've developed as well. So this is a wireless hybrid camera. So it's doing video and it's doing the CG render feedback from Unreal at the same time. And we can, of course, operate the focal length and the focus. It's doing it in real time with the Unreal Engine as well. So it's a true hybrid cam solution.